Howdy! I made this laser cut, wall hanger, Halloween sign, and so can you. Let's see how it's made. To get started, you're going to need a laser cutter, Lightburn, and the internet. I got my inspiration from walking through an apartment hallway and seeing signs hanging on every door. I started searching for some Halloween sign inspirations and decided I wanted a tombstone sign. Looking at some real tombstones, I decided I wanted multiple layers to add some depth and a bit of grass in the front. I also wanted a punny tagline, so I asked Copilot for some help and decided on "Bats all, folks." So I needed some bats too. Last but not least, I needed a font to tie everything together. Now we can jump over to Lightburn and start designing. First I framed up my sheet of plywood so I knew how much space I was working with. Then I added a rectangle and used the radius tool to get a basic tombstone shape. Next is adding and centering some text. Then I copy and paste some Creative Commons licensed clip art and use the trace tool to get the grass layer added. I repeated those steps to add some bats. Finally, I added some holes for twine and copied the entire tombstone with text for an additional layer. I marked those in a different layer color so I can cut them separately. Once my design is finalized, it's time to hone the laser and start firing it. Once the laser is finished, then I simply painted each layer, glued them together, waited 24 hours, and it was good to go.